Hello, my people. Na Bibio. I don't come again. I don't bring another story for today. Oh, how una day now? I hope say you day well. I know say your day don't go well. I pray say make everything where you want work for you. I beg. You hear? By God's grace, it go better. So, wetin I can't talk today now for this channel. I can't dey talk about women as marriage now, e don't dey so stressed out such that the man they vex, the woman they vex. Wetin they make man and woman vex together? Most times now money, oh, no be say the man bad, no be say the woman too bad like that. When woman don't dey frustrated, say money no dey house. She they see food eat, they see food take feed children. They think they make and they frustrated. Now you go back and they do anyhow, behave anyhow to man, because most women, we don't know say as God created us, maybe men also support us. Now, this story na him bring us. Now, wetin I dey try tell una be saying, as a woman, make you no ever go marry, sit down, think say na your husband supposed take care of you. That kind mentality na they make marriage no dey last. Before you marry or after you marry, make you add value to yourself. How you go take add value to yourself? If you no get handwork, go learn handwork. Whether na handwork you go learn or you learn, whether na trade you go learn or you learn, anything where you go learn, make you learn. Nothing good like make woman get what they do for hand before he marry you. So that if husband brings 60%, you feel bring, even if you know if he bring 30%, you feel bring 15%, husband will respect you. Nothing they spoil marriage like when you go sit down. You go to tell husband, make husband bring 100%. Give me money to buy parts. Give me money to do my hair. Give me money to do my nails. Give me money, give me money. See finish, they enter that thing too much. Oh. See finish, go just finish your marriage. And now the truth when I they tell you be this. I know say things hard, though. Things hard. But make you look around, think of what thing you go feed do. What thing you go feed do where go be say go they bring food for your table, and also support your husband. Because sometimes men know they get money, and when they no get money like this, they know they happy. They vex, come vex for us, like say now we cause them, okay? Especially us where they here for Nigeria, they go they vex, they go they do like say now we been map of Nigeria. So if you get small thing that time for your hand, what you go do be say, because you don't want your husband, make your husband the vex, they feel like that. You go carry the small thing when you get, you go put them for hand, make to support them too. And he go they happy. Or you go they support the home. Food now they very expensive. You know say most of the time, when men they give us money for, when we there for that family, we be say we will they provide food, men they provide school fees and house rent and all of that. Men know they know say to feed children 3 times a day, that plenty. In fact, the thing they too expensive. It they too expensive, especially if that woman take that position of providing food. So if now only woman, see as it be, not to talk of saying now only your husband they pay school fees, only your husband they provide food, only your husband they do it, the marriage no go sweet. You go add value to your life, so that when the man go, he go know say yes, my wife they gadaba, my wife correct well. If I not get my wife, he support me. If I weak, my wife go dey strong, and that is what they call complementing each other. When the husband they weak, the wife feel they strong, and when the wife they weak, the husband feel they strong. They go continue like that. This thing will be say woman go there for house, you know they do anything. You there for house from morning till night. Now Z-Wall you they watch, now Telemundo you they watch. You know they add value to you. They add value to you. You go, as you listen to this message, you go get up, think of what you go do to help yourself, so that you go keep your marriage. See, this thing will be say every time they pray for marriages. Prayer now one thing where they keep married, but another thing they keep married now your behavior and what thing you they bring to the table. What thing be the thing where you they bring to the table as a woman? Now, if we won't talk like this, and I know say plenty families they will be saying that the women they bring things to the table, men know they bring. Yes, that kind one too. We go talk about that matter too. You will be woman, waiting you they bring to the table. Now, waiting you go ask yourself, and even as I they talk now, I want to make you ask yourself, waiting you they bring to the table. You go stay for house dey watch zewo. Your husband go dey pay house rent, pay children fee, buy food, buy water, buy everything. Only one man. You sit down, you dey watch zewo. Then when you go out there come, the only thing wey you dey do na as you go take know whether you go sleep with woman, you no go sleep with woman. You should make yourself busy and you should make yourself relevant and responsible as an individual. So now wetin we dey talk for this matter be this. You want to try do something wey be say go bring value for your life. As a woman, you need am. No be for your husband self, for your own self. No be say if you want send money go your mother house, go give your mother, you go dey ask your husband. You want send money go give your father, you go dey ask your husband. Your brother ask you for 10,000, you go ask your husband. Now your husband, God create am make on die. You know create am make on die. You too, you go do something. You go support your husband. One day may you come house, so bring shirt for your husband, bring trouser for your husband. Say, honey, I bought this for you. Man go happy. Now so men dey. So no be as you dey do am na so e suppose be o. You go add value to your life as a woman so that man too go respect you. Now this story I bring come today. I beg, we dey get other story when we dey take come every day. I beg you in the name of God. You know say this channel just start. Now I just start this channel. I beg make you no listen to make you no watch this video, make you no subscribe. I beg, try subscribe. Subscribe, I beg. God bless you. Thank you.